Right. Good morning, guys. In previous classes, we are discussing continuously problems on straight line. Now, we are discussing problems of exercise 3A in the chapter straight lines. Okay. Now, we have today two problems. If we completed these two problems, we completed successfully exercise 3A. After exercise 3A, we can see that 3B in further classes. Okay, now find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 4 comma minus 3. Okay, find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 4 comma minus 3. This means which line we are finding, the line is passing through 4 comma minus 3 and perpendicular to passing through points 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 3, and which line we are finding, that line will be passing is perpendicular to this line. This line means one line is forming from these two points. Suppose, to understanding that question, suppose is any line, it's a one line, this line is AB, is nothing but AB, this is 1 comma 1 and B is 2 comma 3. Okay, now which line we are finding is perpendicular to this line. This means this is perpendicular line, this is P and Q is passes through 4 comma minus 3. So we have to find the PQ line. To finding the PQ line, now given points A of 1 comma 1, A of 1 comma 1, B of 2 comma 3. Now slope of AB m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, slope of formula. Now here this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, y2 minus y1, 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 by 2. So we get 2. So now PQ is perpendicular to AB. Then slope of PQ equal to is minus 1 by m. So that is here m equal to minus 1 by m. So that is m is 2, so is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Now the line of PQ. So the line of PQ is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So here y minus y1 and x1 y1 is nothing but p of it is 4 comma minus 3. So this is x1 and y1. So here substituting y1, minus into minus is plus 3 and m value is minus 1 by 2 and x minus x1 is 4. When you are doing the cross multiplication, 2y plus 6 equal to minus x plus 4. So totally we get x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. So which is our required straight line, x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, important problem. Now, right, another problem we have that show that the given points are collinear or not. Show that the given points are collinear or not. That means we discussed in previous classes when 3 points are collinear or not. What is the concept or definition of collinear means? The slope of AB is equal to the slope of AC. It is equal, then the given points are collinear. Suppose another method we have to prove that given points are collinear or not. That is, if they are given 3 points A, B, C, okay, from using A and B we find one straight line. Okay, we invented or we find by using A, B points one straight line. Then another point we have C. To substitute in that line equation, it will be satisfied. Then given 3 points are collinear. Okay. Now, once again I am repeating. When 3 points are collinear means they are given 3 points A, B, C. First we have to find one straight line by using any 2 points. Okay. After then we substitute the remaining point in that straight line. We get 0. This means the point will be satisfied the line. So then therefore it will be 0. These points are collinear. It's not equal to 0. Those points are not collinear. Okay. So depending on this concept, today we solve these problems. Now first problem today I am going to discuss, that is A of 1 comma 3 and B of -2 comma -6 and C of 2 comma 6. Now the slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The slope of AB y2 minus y1, so that is -6 and -3 by there -2 and -1. So -9 by -3, minus will be cancelled. We get totally 3. So that is slope of AB is n equal to 3. Now the straight line, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. When the slope and the point is given, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is the okay. Now to doing the straight line y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So substituting here, this is x1 and this is y1. Y minus y1 means y1 value is 3 and m we get here 3. M value is 3. 3 into x minus x1 means x minus 1. So y minus 3 equal to 3x minus 3. Then implies when doing simplification, this -3 will be cancelled. We get 3x minus y is equal to 0. Okay, 3x minus y equal to 0. Now we substitute C of 2 comma 6 in above straight line. In above straight line, substitute above straight line. Here x means 2, 3 into 2 and y means 6, that is 0. So therefore A comma B comma C are collinear points. Are collinear points. Okay. Now by using same concept, you guys have to do remaining 2 problems. Now here we completed exercise 3A.